What are you doing in the basket with all your toys? You taking out all your baby doll stuff? Hmm? Tell Mama what you think. Yeah? Are you having fun in the basket? What are you doing? Can you say hi to Omi and Opa? I mean Omi and Omi to Momi? Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Can you say mwah, mwah? Give kisses. Say this is for you, Omi and Omi to Bomi. I love you. Good job. Good job.